Join me as I take on the challenge of making $1 million in 2025 using some surprisingly profitable ideas. Making $1 million in 2025 may seem like a daunting task, but with the right mindset and profitable ideas, it's definitely achievable. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to build wealth is the get-rich-quick mentality. We've all seen those ads that promise overnight success and wealth, but the reality is that building wealth takes time, effort, and patience. Another challenge is the lack of financial education, which leads to poor financial decisions and a cycle of poverty. Many people also struggle with the idea that making money quickly is somehow immoral or unethical, but the truth is that making money is not wrong, it's how you make it that matters. And finally, there's the fear of taking risks, which holds many people back from pursuing their financial goals. But here's the thing, making money quickly is not impossible, and it's not limited to a select few. With the right strategies and mindset, anyone can achieve financial success. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's dive into some surprisingly profitable ideas that can help you reach your financial goals. First up, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a simple yet effective way to make money online, and with the right niche and marketing strategy, it can be very lucrative. Next, creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course to teach others and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This can be a very profitable way to monetize your skills and knowledge. Another profitable idea is dropshipping, which involves selling products without holding any inventory. You simply partner with a supplier, market their products, and earn a commission for each sale made. This can be a very low-risk way to start an online business and make some serious money. And finally, investing in dividend-paying stocks. Many people think that investing in the stock market is complicated and risky, but with the right strategy and knowledge, it can be a very profitable way to build wealth over time. But out of all these ideas, there's one that stands out from the rest. Creating and selling an online business can be extremely profitable, and it's an idea that has the potential to generate passive income for years to come. With the rise of online businesses, there's a huge demand for websites, apps, and other digital assets, and if you have the skills and knowledge to create them, you can sell them for a hefty profit. This idea requires some upfront work, but the potential payoff is massive. So, let's recap the profitable ideas we discussed today. We talked about affiliate marketing, creating and selling online courses, dropshipping, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and creating and selling an online business. These ideas have the potential to help you reach your financial goals and make $1 million in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which idea did you find most appealing, and do you have any questions about making money online? Be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial success.